Have you ever scrolled through flashy ads promising a life of luxury? Make $10K a month from your laptop, quit your 9 to 5, and live your dream. They paint a picture of an effortless escape from mediocrity. But here's the dark truth. They don't want you to succeed. They want you weak, broke, and depressed. From day one, the online money-making game is rigged to keep you chasing illusions. They lure you with promises of quick riches while hiding the relentless grind, the failures, and the brutal reality of building something real. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's the way the system is engineered to keep you down. If you're tired of getting played and ready to learn the unfiltered reality, listen up. This isn't for the faint-hearted. This is for those who are ready to break free and take control. Part 1. The Fake Guru Trap. The dream versus the reality. Every day, some guru pops up flaunting fancy cars, exotic vacations, and a life of luxury. But let's be clear, most of these so-called experts built their wealth by selling you dreams, not by making money online themselves. They peddle a fantasy while hiding the relentless grind behind every overnight success. Their flashy lifestyle is funded by your hard-earned cash spent on their overpriced courses. If they truly made money online, they'd be expanding their empire, not chasing your dollars. The illusion of instant success. Real success is built on years of unseen, relentless hustle. Every overnight win is the result of countless failures and hard-fought battles. The promise of a magic bullet is designed to keep you busy chasing trends while they profit off your struggle. Part 2. The Passive Income Lie. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and the hype. In dropshipping, you're fighting thousands of competitors with razor-thin margins. Affiliate marketing might pay, but without a massive following or a hefty ad budget, you're in for years of struggle. Print on demand and similar models demand constant tweaking and marketing. There's no such thing as easy money. No magic button. There's no secret switch. You have to hustle day in and day out. Success requires grit, sacrifice, and relentless adaptation to a brutal digital landscape. The promise of passive income is a mirage built to keep you chasing empty dreams while they sit back and profit from your relentless grind. Part 3. The algorithm is your boss. The invisible hand controlling your fate. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, the algorithm rules your destiny. Platforms are designed to keep you scrolling, not building. One day, you're on top. The next, your reach drops by 90% with a single algorithm change. Big platforms don't care about your hustle. They care about keeping you distracted. Part 4. The hidden grind behind easy money. The long, unseen hours. What they never show you is the blood, sweat, and tears behind every success story. Online entrepreneurs grind relentlessly in silence. The glamorous image is only the tip of an iceberg built on years of hard work and countless failures. If you're looking for a shortcut, prepare for a harsh dose of reality. There's no substitute for the grind. The pressure to perform, the constant fear of failure and isolation can crush you. Many aspiring entrepreneurs face burnout, crippling self-doubt, and depression. Part 5. The real path to making money online. Now that the dark truth is laid bare, here's how you actually build something real. Step 1. Master a high-income skill. Forget the empty promises. Become so exceptional at what you do that you set your own rules. High-income skills put you in control, away from the whims of platforms and trends. Step 2. Build multiple income streams. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your revenue with freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, and more. When one stream dries up, others will keep you afloat. This is your safeguard against the unpredictable nature of the online world. Step 3. Embrace the grind and be patient. There are no shortcuts. Understand that online success is a long, brutal game. Celebrate the small wins and learn from every failure. Step 4. Create and own your audience. Control your destiny by building your own community. Engage, build trust, and deliver undeniable value. This is the only way to escape the unpredictable grip of the algorithm. Step 5. Learn, adapt, and innovate. The digital world is ever changing. Stay ahead by constantly learning new trends, technologies, and strategies. Adapt quickly and innovate relentlessly. Every failure is a lesson. Every setback is a chance to come back stronger. Part 6. The cost of success. Real talk. Understand this. Success isn't handed out on a silver platter. It comes at a price. You'll face rejection, failures, and days when quitting seems like the easier option. Every challenge is a lesson. Every setback is fuel for your fire. The system wants you weak and distracted, but you can break free. Master your skills, diversify your income, build your own audience, and embrace the relentless grind. Real success online isn't about luck. It's about raw determination and the willingness to face reality head on. The truth is, if you're ready to take control and face the brutal reality of making money online, now's the time to act. Drop a comment if you're ready to break free from the system. Hit like, subscribe, and share this message with anyone tired of the empty promises. Real wealth is forged in the fire of relentless work and uncompromising focus. Step up, take control, and build a legacy that they never want you to have.